is the Jadens JD268BT. Now this is a Bluetooth thermal label maker. So the existing one that I've used is not Bluetooth. It's a 203 DPI. It's a standard sort of thermal printer, and the main thing is it does have an app. So it does work on iOS and Android. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the box like this. And I have already set it up, so that way I can give you a full review of the unit. Anyway, so it comes with this in the box. So this is the tray it comes with. So if you have a roll of labels, you set this thing up like so, and it attaches like this to the back of the machine, and it will just feed in the labels. So you have a lot of labels. Anyway, this is the thing you scan. You scan that and it will take you to the app, and then basically from here you can crop if you've got those labels saved on your phone, you can crop them in the app and you can print them directly on this printer. So again, you can also do it to social media and stuff, but I just went to the option which is the files. Anyway, let's set that aside. Let's have a look at the rest of the stuff that comes with it. So instructions are here. Pretty simple. If you used a label printer, a thermal printer before as well, it's not going to be too difficult to get to grips with. And they also got the thermal paper. Now a lot of times I find, even myself as well, when someone's bought a label printer, they don't think. A lot of times these labels, I have printed one out, these labels are stuck together, I like top and bottom. So I'm assuming that whoever bought this previously had tried to print this and maybe not fed the paper in or didn't understand how to use it, and essentially they sent it back, and I'm going to resold it. So I've already taken out the mains plug. It did come with a kettle lead, and this is the power supply. That's the power supply, is a 24 volt power supply, which is standard for these label printers anyway. They can run off 12 volt, but it's running it off a 24 is better. It does come with this little adapter that was inside there. So this is a generic USB type A to USB C adapter. And then this is the machine itself as well. So this is the machine. From here you press this button here, opens up the top, and then you can feed your labels inside there. So you can print labels. Next down the bottom there, little power switch here to turn it on, and it does have also a USB connection as well. It does come with a USB cable. So that is that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the app and show you how it prints. Plug in, and I'm going to hit the power switch, and it will just basically start turning on now. So we're going to set this thing down just here. Daddy busy. Daddy working. Open the app. The app is the Jadens printer. So this is this app here as well. So I have already printed one before, which was from Vinted, from one of the orders. So I've got one of my own cells that I've made here. So you just click and it copies it to so you go to the files, click on that, and you click on the label. So open up this label's there. I'm going to crop the label first. So firstly, you can just, I don't want to show the person, don't want to dox the person, but you can hold the edge and you can crop the label. So I'm going to crop the label down to the exact size that I need. So the label has been cropped. This is a Royal Mail track label that I've got here. Okay, and then all you want to do now is hit the print button here. But before that, grab the paper, put it in like so. If I could do this like this, and we'll just basically do a check to make sure it's seated correctly. And printer is disconnected. Click the printer. Connect. There you go. And then hit print now. Come on, print. Printing. And that is done. I'll just cover up that label, don't dox them. Yeah. And then the label, said label is printed. There you go. So that's pretty simple. Nothing too difficult, and it does it pretty quick, and it will definitely speed up the process, because again, I'm doing, as things are progressing, I'm doing a lot more stuff on my phone rather than basically doing it on a PC and having to then go to the effort of setting up the PC. So this is nice, small, convenient, and it's a lot smaller in terms of the form factor compared to my old label printer as well. Once the print's been let, there's no paper fed in, it will flash like this red symbol, and so far it's not bad. I mean, sometimes I would definitely look out for these label printers. This is the one that I tested out here was the Jadens, but again, they're always the same. I think there's no private sort of labeling. They all look relatively the same. I'm not sure if the app is going to be the same, but they're very relatively the same sort of thing. So yeah, I recommend jump on, check out the warehouse deals. Sometimes you can pick this up a bit cheaper. You can save yourself 25, like 25-30%, even more sometimes, depending on the condition that has been resold at. So yeah, this has been Ace. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video and this review and unboxing of this said product. And yeah, see you guys next time.